amazing people are here. I feel like sometimes I feel here like a princess.
You are looking like a princess, no doubt.
Thank you. So we are bringing European people to Pakistan to show them north and also south part of Pakistan. We are traveling with them. So this is all the things everybody saying the same, that Pakistan is amazing. This is not how it is in the Western media. The Pakistan is beautiful. The people are very nice to us. So this is the truth.
What difficulties are you facing while inviting the foreigner to come to Pakistan and enjoy the weather, enjoy the climate change, and enjoy the mountain like Himalayas and all this stuff?
The only things that it's a bit different, that of course, for example, this is electricity. That
Like
in the north,
yeah.
that in the north area, for example, there is like shortage of electricity. So this is like one thing. And second, for example, this is Wi-Fi. Yeah, that there is no good connection of internet. So this is something that it's not very difficult, but this is something that people are always asking. Oh, when we will have internet? Oh, well, if there's gonna be good electricity to charge phones. Yeah, so this is like small minor things.
What topic and themes are you focusing while you are doing vlogging or making content for vlog?
What I started, it was showing the most beautiful places, the most spectacular places, like for example in Pakistan, like the north, this Hussain suspension bridge, this dangerous roads, like something to catch the eye. But now when I am here, now I'm started making more content, like showing how my life looks like to change the image of Pakistan, like I am girl here and what I can do here, how my life, how even daily life looks like. So I'm now creating more of the content, and I will be showing this soon.
How you find the people of Pakistan, like people living in northern areas, living in Islamabad, the main city of Pakistan. So how you find the people?
I find people everywhere, at least for me as a foreigner, I find them everywhere very good, very nice to me. In the north, they are more like even into tourists, yeah. So this is more that things. But here as well, when for example I am in the InDrive or somewhere in the cafe, everybody is nice to me. Like this is something even more that I like in Europe. I am like typical girl, yeah. But here, of course, there is not many foreigners, so yeah, I can see there's like
as you have fan following and you have many followers on Instagram, so how you engage Pakistani followers while doing vlog or this type of content?
How I'm engaging them.
Yeah.
This is what I started, like showing also them the things that, for example, are surprising for me. What surprised me, what I like, where I traveled as well. So this mostly like this daily life. This is daily life, and the things that, for example, now I'm making content like comparison. What's like, for example, is this a surprise for me? What we don't have in Europe, but I found in Pakistan, and this is, for example, very nice. Yeah, to show this. Interesting, good things about this place.
So can you highlight some of your favorite local places, event, or tradition which you saw in Pakistan or watched in Pakistan?
About the event, I participate in the Kalash festival. So that was, for me, it was amazing experience. I was there in May, in the May festival. So I also had I could wear local clothes and listen to this music and everything. So that was for me great experience. Also in the South area, when we were on the desert, for example, so we were also listening to the music, this local music. So mostly for me, it's first is food, like the local food that we can always try. The people are very hospitable and give us a different kind of food, and local music that is different. For example, in the mountains, we are in the mountains, we are listening to different music. Then we are in the Kalash, it was different. In the south, it's different. So everything is about music for me.
There are some misconception about Kailash and the culture of Kailash. Did you find something like that, or how you find their culture, how you find the way they are talking, the way they are wearing their clothes?
Yeah, it's different. They have different things. They are like separate more, yeah, as I heard. But now, what I also was when I was talking with them, they are now more open to this for also to tourists and to other people that are coming there. But yes, what I heard, there is also like still like there is some kind of distance, yeah. But at least I'm looking from the tourist side, yeah. Like for the tourist, maybe it's a bit different when you see it for the first time and you are just mostly enjoying.
What are your goals to be here in Pakistan? What you want to do in future?
I'm the owner of the travel agency, so this is my first aim, is to bring as many European people here to Pakistan and to change the image of Pakistan, to soften this image, yeah. So this is what I really like. I'm also a tour guide, so I'm taking these people to the north, I'm showing them Pakistan, I'm talking with people. Now I'm also learning a bit Urdu, only a bit so far. But
We will take a message in Urdu in the end of the program from you.
So this is my main goal for the travel agency, is to get as many people as possible, change this image in Europe, because many times I have a call from Polish clients and they are asking, oh, is it safe, how it is? So then I'm explaining that this is safe, this is good, I live here and there is like nothing to worry. So this is very important. And after every tour they are saying, yeah, we will recommend you to other people. And this is what's happening now. So one thing is about this travel agency and about changing the image of Pakistan, because now I feel like a mission, like this is something important, like this is not like it's showing in the Western media, right? And the second thing, of course, this is my personal development of my vlogs and my blog, but this is also a kind similar. It's also showing the Pakistani culture, traditions, people, especially people, and there's good difference.
So my next question is that how many people, how many tourists came to Pakistan through your travel agency every year?
We started this like 2 years ago, so it's still like fresh things. But this year we want to have, we are even aiming like in 500 people maybe. So that's our aim. Last year we got around 100 people. So we are growing. We also starting collaboration with Polish YouTubers that are coming to Pakistan, and it's really growing good.
As we see that there is many locals, tourists, or local travel agency. So what is the reaction of local travel agency while they are watching, they are seeing your work, your tourists are coming to Pakistan? What is the reaction? What was the reaction?
The reaction is good, but they everybody wants to stay in contact with me. But I already work with one company, so I'm already booked that I work with them. But mostly it's quite nice. They are sending messages. They ask if I want to collaborate with them. But yes, for the things that we are expanding, for example, we are expanding K2 tours and Skardu area trekkings. So yes, this is what we are. I'm looking for new companies to work with them.
So as you told that you are taking the tourists to Skardu and all the areas of northern areas. So is there any planning to desert areas of Pakistan, like Thar Desert and these type of areas?
Deserted areas. We are going on the soft tour, and this is maybe not deserted, but this is not touristic. We are going like Multan, Ud Sharif, we were there, Bahawalpur, Larkana, and Karachi. Karachi, of course, the big city, but you know the way that we are going. Yeah. So this is like, for me it was like a bit maybe deserted because there was like, we were like really the only tourists there. We have police like there was police with us because that was the protocol. So everybody from our tour was taking photos with our policemen, like yeah. And even in Bahawalpur, when we were on the market, there was even main police officer. He came to us, he welcoming us, so we felt like VIP.
Yeah, that's why you told that you are looking like a queen in Pakistan.
Yeah.
People treat you like a queen.
Yes, I feel sometimes a bit like this, but it's very nice. I like it.
Pakistani food are too much famous in international countries and medias too. So you visited many cities of Pakistan. What did you like the most in Pakistani food, and why?
What I like sweet things. They are very, very sweet. And I always taking, for example, for my mother. My mother now is asking to take her again this baklava sweeties. So she is like crazy about this. But of course, spicy things. Yeah, spicy things. They are also very good. I like. For me, the best is biryani. To be honest.
Karachi biryani or Lahori biryani?
I think more maybe Karachi, but I also like Peshawar food. When I was, we were with tour in Peshawar, we also tried chicken karahi, mutton there with the vegetables like tomatoes. It was very, very good, a bit different. Also spicy, but it was a bit different, and I also very like it. People were, our tourists were amazed by food in Peshawar, but everywhere they are, in general, to be honest, they are everywhere amazed.
When your travelers came to Pakistan with your travel agency, what was their reaction while tasting Pakistani food, and how they think about Pakistani food?
Yes, reaction is if somebody likes spicy, because spicy cuisine is not popular in my country. It's not that popular in Europe. So they are like two groups of people. The people who love spicy and they, I want spicy, give me more. It's not spicy enough. We need more spicy. So we are okay. We will take you here. So we will try this, and then finally these people are satisfied. Okay, this is very spicy. This is what we are waiting for. And there is other group of people who are like against this. I mean, they are like not that much into spicy. So for them, we are looking for some. Of course, they are trying local food. They like it, but after a few days, they want to return to something less spicy. How I'm showing especially the people. This is for me is the most important to show face of people in Pakistan, because unfortunately in Western media there's only like one image who is related to we know who, and the people think that all the women are covering. Yeah, there's like, and every man looks like. That's so this is what I'm showing the faces, like I'm showing the people how they look like, but they are like variety of clothes. Of course there are women who covers more, there are women also who covers less, there are also men in more traditional clothes and less traditional clothes, so everything is it's a big variety. Of course also depends on the region of Pakistan. This is in Peshawar was a bit different, in the north in Hunza is a bit different, then in Kalash they wear completely different clothes, and this is what I'm trying to show.
You're talking about clothes, not only clothes, but when you travel to Peshawar, when you travel to northern areas, the language of the people is also changed. So how you deal the people? There is in Skardu they are talking in Shina language, and Peshawar they're speaking Pashto. So how you deal the local people?
Well, first I mostly deal in English, but on every hour tour we have Pakistani guide. So we are not traveling completely alone. We have our friends from our company, and all the time we have somebody with us. And sometimes we even have one of our tour guide. He's from Hunza. So he knows local language.
So you hire local tour guide?
Yes, okay. We work with them also in the Nanga Parbat when we are going there to Ferry Meadows. We also have local guide he's all then traveling with us for the few days in the North area. So yes, we have this support.
If I or some of my friend want to contact with you, want to travel with you, so how they can contact you?
They can contact us through Instagram, through WhatsApp, Facebook, our website, everywhere.
I think the one trip is free for me. Just asking about that.
Okay, I think all the Polish girls will be amazed by you.
So then my next question is that as you talk about Urdu language, that you are starting speaking Urdu. So how much you can speak Urdu?
I can say like Mera naam Gosha hai. मैं पाकिस्तान में हूँ, and Pakistan बहुत खूबसूरत है. Yes, and मुझे पसंद है. Like I can say like I like this, and for example I can say like मुझे Malta juice पीना है. Like I want to, and मुझे biryani खाना है. So this
it's
simple, yeah. And
yeah.
panjas are like 5,000 when you have to fuel car. So yeah, so this is like this. I'm starting learning like recently because before I was like, okay, English maybe is enough, but now when I'm living here, I want to speak Urdu. Like I want to understand and communicate with people
You
better.
need to speak Pashto too, as it's international language, and people are talking in Pashto in other areas, in Peshawar and Karachi and all that type of area. So, what will be your message to the Pakistani listener, to all the listener who are listening you in Turkmenistan? That is, we are in Radio Pakistan External Service. So, our listenerships in Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, Afghanistan. So, what will be your message to them?
Thank you for all the welcoming of Polish, general of our tourist people that are coming here. We are very grateful that you are treating us very good, and we will be coming here more and more and more often. And we want to stay in these good relationships as we have with you when you are welcoming us, when you are showing us your country, giving us your food. This is always amazing experience, and this is like a great, amazing thing in Pakistan are the people. So this is the most important.
Thank you so much, Goshia, for your time and visiting Radio Pakistan.